We have an amazing opportunity to transform an industry that has pretty much left untouched. We're almost 200 employees now, and we still operate as if we were 10. We work at breakneck speed.
It's going to be about 3 years I'm working at Vention now. And when I think back to the opportunity that I had when I started looking for work at that time, was I wanted to work for an exciting startup that had a strong mission and had the same values I believed in.
Our mission is to democratize industrial automation and to make something very simple.
I'm passionate about working at Vention because I really believe in the idea and I believe that we have the team that can make this idea a reality.
Ce qui m'inspire à travailler chez Vention, c'est vraiment l'équipe, les gens avec lesquels on travaille, peu importe les départements.
So the reason I'm so passionate about working at Vention is the amount of transparency that's at our disposal.
Working in technical sales, when I first learned about Vention, I thought it was the best way to join a rapid growing startup that hires the best in class software developers, mechanical engineers, and salespeople.
I was super proud to be a part of a team working on an innovative project, and it definitely wouldn't have turned out the way it did without the feedback from senior leadership throughout the entire process.
The energy I get when walking in through the door, my team members energize me. The excitement and the level of passion that everyone has day to day is what gets me going every day.
I'm surrounded by incredible managers, and I would say they're more than managers, they're mentors, they're leaders.
Coming to Montreal to work at Vention, I discovered that it's not just about the job because I've made some friends for life.
Every week we have our company all hands, in which we get an update from every single team on successes, challenges, new members who are joining our team. We have so much information at our disposal that allows us to make the best decision possible for Vention.
When I talk about Vention outside of work and I talk about how much I love my job, people just don't believe me because you don't see that anymore.
I love solving tough problems with smart people, and Vention is a great place to do that.
Vention is not for everyone, but if you're really passionate about learning new tech skills and pushing the frontier of what's possible with technology, this is a fantastic place to be.
We all work for different departments.
But we all work for the same goals.
I love working here.
I love being a part of Vention.
Join us to take part in these innovative projects.
Okay.
At Vention, we work hard, we work together, and that's how we go far.